Hey guys, how are you? Coach D here. I'm going to show you how to perform the dumbbell tricep rolling extension. Now for some of you guys, you may mistaken this exercise for the skull crusher, a very, very classic bodybuilding move. This is a different movement because there's more range of motion at the shoulder, because if you can remember, the triceps begin at the bottom end of the humerus and they attach up at the top of the end of the humerus and close to the shoulder. So what you want to perform, what you want to do for this exercise is you're going to be going on your bench. You have to roll back and make sure that your head is sitting at the end of your bench so you have range of motion. Now, once your dumbbells are straight into the air, you're going to let your elbow flex down. You're going to have the weight come to lower your body, and then from this position, drop your elbows to get that stretch. Now, when you perform the extension, you're going to extend it and then come back to straight position. A typical skull crusher is going to be performed from here and then right back up, okay? So you still get a good stretch. However, with the rolling tricep extension, you come down, roll back, and now look how much harder this is by going against gravity from having my elbows at this degree versus the straight degree, which is much easier. If you grab a pair of dumbbells, you'll see what I'm talking about. So you're going to come back down, roll the elbows back, and from this position, extend, hold, squeeze, come right back up into position. As you lower, inhale, roll the elbows back, and then fully extend. That is how you perform the dumbbell rolling extension.